Hey guys, Feltus45 here with a tutorial relating to Minecraft. I recently got partner on my YouTube channel, so I've been updating my theme and my avatar and stuff. And for the background of my channel, I wanted just Minecraft. I just wanted the landscape. Very simple. So I thought I'd open up Minecraft and take a screenshot, and I'd put that as my background on YouTube, and I thought it'd be that simple. I failed to realize that I can only take screenshots that are 1920 by 1080, because that's the maximum resolution I'm running at. So that's a problem, because if you scroll down far enough, the image just ends, and I didn't want to fade it. I wanted to keep it going. I wanted it continuous. So I did a little bit of searching, and right away I found a solution. Thankfully, Barracuda ATA of the Minecraft forum created a utility that allows you to create screenshots of whatever resolution you want. Well, almost any resolution. Realistic resolutions, we'll say. What it does is you can tell it to capture a resolution of something like 2000 by 4000, which is what I did. You could say 10,000 by 10,000, really whatever you need. And you can also use this with any other mod, or almost any other mods. As we see here, we have a water shader mod if you want it to look really nice. I'm pretty sure it works with Optifine. Yes, it does, right there. So shader mod should look great and everything like that. Some of the scenarios he suggests is high-quality wallpapers. It's definitely true. Poster printing if you're doing some real-life promo work for Minecraft stuff. Overview images, hardware stress tests, and it can be pretty stressful. Whatever resolution you're capturing at really varies. Zoom it's pretty cool. It's just a giant image viewer you can zoom in and stuff, so I can see that being useful for people who run servers. Reddit posing, blah blah blah, you name it. And what I'm using it for is my YouTube background. So this is the general interface, and I'm going to show you how to install it and use it, so we don't really need to worry about that. Height, width, it does do super sampling, which is basically anti-aliasing. Minecraft, of course, really lacks anti-aliasing in a whole. So go away, I'm doing a video. Okay, so let's get started. You're going to need to download it, and let's find that. And this link, the link to the forum post will be in the video description. And the video here, it doesn't really, it shows you how to use it, doesn't show you how to install it. It doesn't really explain much, so that's what I'm doing. I'm showing you how to install it. The download section, get the right version. Now, you might still be on 1.2.5. If you are, get that, and then get the same version of Modloader, because that's what it requires. Don't download the 1.2 or 1.3 version of Modloader if you have 1.2. I don't know why I'm explaining this. I hope you guys know. Point is, if you have your version of Minecraft is 1.3.2, you want Mineshot 1.3, and you want Modloader 1.3. If you get a 1.2 version of anything, it's not going to work. I have so many questions on my other videos about that, and it's super annoying. They're like, oh, it's broken. I followed it exactly. Well, you downloaded the wrong things because the page has changed. So, all right, yeah, download that. And I don't know if this is going to be a direct down. Yeah, it probably is. So, yeah, the forum post, just download Mineshot, and I'm going to download Modloader. Let me just get that link for you guys. This will also be in the link description. I'm not going to make you guys search for that. And he's got a lot of junk on his thread, so I'll probably see if I can anchor this to this point. And I have 1.3.2. It's all new, so download the Modloader, and I'm sure you've probably done that if you've done any modding. You can download AdFly, give him some money, or if you're impatient and don't care about all the hard work he's done, you can download Direct and be a leech. So I already did all that, and they'll come in these, which I believe are zips. They might be RARs. Point is, unzip them, unrar them. And you will need WinRAR or 7-zip for this tutorial. Something to open up your bin file. Excuse me. So we have these. Now, what do we do? Well, we go to start and go run, enter. And then in here, go %app data %. That's app with 2 P's. Give you guys a second to look at that. Okay. And that's going to open up your app data folder. And click on .minecraft. And once we're in here, I want to go to bin, And once we're in bin, we want to right-click our Minecraft executable jar. You may see 2 of these. You might see, in some cases, if you don't have a fresh install of Minecraft, you might actually see 2 of these. Try modding them both, or just the regular one. It sometimes varies. So right-click that, and I have WinRAR, so I am going to do open with WinRAR. Now, if you don't see WinRAR or 7-zip or whatever archiver you use, you can go to choose default program and you can explore, and then you just, if you don't see it here, you go browse and you look around your computer for the exe for your archiver. And if you don't know how to do that, I'm sorry, you're gonna have to look up a different guide because I have other concerns right now. So open with WinRAR. And that is huge. I changed my resolution for this tutorial just to make it easier for you guys to see. So let me shrink that on my other screen here. Boop. Okay, so this is everything that's in our bin file. And the first thing we want to do, Modloader requires that we delete the meta.inf folder. So go ahead, delete that. It's gone, so that's good. And we can close our bin file. Now what we want to do is drag in Modloader and Mineshot, and do not have Minecraft running while you're doing this. It will not work. You'll break it. Do not have it running anywhere in the tray or anywhere. So Modloader, we're going to start with that. And there's a bunch of files here. I'm just going to click one, Control A, or just highlight them all, or Shift click them all. And we're just going to get you guys so you can see it. While they're all highlighted, click, drag, drop into the archiver folder, and don't drag on these folders here. Just drag in the other class files, and it's going to pop up with this menu, and just leave it to add and replace. And so it's going to add the files that aren't there and replace the ones that are. And mine did that pretty quick. A lot of RAM and overclocked CPU. So then we need to do the same with Mineshot. Mineshot's pretty simple. And we do that with the folders as well. So highlight everything, click, drag, drop into your archiver, say OK, and there you go. Exit out of there. And I'm going to start up Minecraft now and show you how it works and how to verify the install. Click login. And even before you start trying to install this, I recommend starting your Minecraft and looking at this version number down here. Yours might be on a snapshot if you're running a snapshot. You might be on 1.2.5, you might be on an earlier version or whatever. Look at this, and I mean, if you don't know the version off the top of your head, you need to know this for what version of Modloader to get, for what version of Mineshot to get. So pay attention to this and don't download outdated mods or mods that are too up to date. Okay, so I'm just going to full screen that, and you guys can't see that, can you? I guess not. We're just going to do this. So I have a single player world here, and for some crazy reason, this is unrelated to everything, but it's an ocean world. I think I did the seed was lols with 3 S's, and it is just an ocean forever, and I've hit these little islands, these little jungle biomes along the way, but yeah, it's just ocean for thousands of blocks. Okay, so I'm obviously in creative. And if we wanted to take a screenshot, we just do F9. And the screenshot I took was not that of F2. It's much smaller. If you hold Shift and press F9, you'll see this is the resolution that the screenshots will be at when I press F9. They'll be at 2,560 by 1,440. Pretty big, so I'm just going to say the width, all I need is 2,000. And the height, I seem to 200s, or 2,000 is pretty good for my YouTube background. So whatever resolution you need, you can do this. And the mode, this is what you're saving it as pretty much. PNG will work just fine. Honestly, I think that this is going to meet most people's needs. If you have something a little more advanced, you can try Targa formats, which is going to cost, not cost, but it's going to take a lot more resources. And it will give you a little more leeway in editing and stuff like that. But for the most part, just stick to PNG. It'll work just fine. And for super sampling, again, that's that anti-aliasing thingy. You can drag this along, and if you hit your buffer size, be careful. You don't want to totally crash Minecraft. So really, I've noticed 2 is just fine for what I'm doing. I guess we'll try 3. So click save, and remember Shift F9 is how you access that menu. Press Shift and F9 at the same time. And then to take a screenshot at your new settings, all you gotta do is F9. And that does not take images or take screenshots of my fist or the bar down here. And it captures whatever's on screen. So if we change my field of view to Quake Pro, we can go back. And let me just get a good one here. And later I'll show you how to retrieve these screenshots. It'd be really nice if I was running like Optifine or something. I could increase the view distance so I don't have those chunk errors in the background. Not chunk errors, but you know. Okay, F9, taking another screenshot, processing, great. So now I'm going to actually save and quit to title, because this is another screenshot to our bin where our screenshots are shaped. What did I say? Screenshot to our screenshot? Anyway, this is a shortcut to the bin folder where our screenshots are stored. Click Texture Packs and click Open Texture Pack Folder. Then you go up one, and then you go to Screenshots, and there are all of the screenshots that we've taken. So this is the first one. Here's my second. And that's the F2, so that did get my user interface. And there's that, and that, and all these are really big resolution. You can see, I'll give you an example. If you zoom in, it's pretty lossless. Compression of the video might change this, but that's as opposed to the regular Minecraft. I mean, pretty good quality there after zooming in that far. So yeah, that's how you use it. And another way, if you want to access your screenshots folder without doing all that, just go Start, Run, %app data %, OK, Minecraft, and then Screenshots. So I hate to nag you guys again, but once more, make sure you're installing the correct versions of Modloader and the correct version of Mineshot. So if you guys have any questions regarding how to install it, what programs to archive it with, blah, 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 all that, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, guys. It's Feltus45. I hope you have fun playing Minecraft.